Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a print size sale for your client galleries. Now to get started we're going to go into the Selling tab, and then into the Sales and Coupons page. On the Sales and Coupons page I'm going to click the button here to create a new sale or coupon code. I'm going to create a sale, and it's going to specifically be a print size sale. So I'll click Create New here. I'm going to give this print size sale a name, and we'll just call it Print Size Sale. I'm going to give it a date. We'll say from today's date until next Saturday. And then in this area here I can define the different discounts that I want to give for each of my individual purchase options that are available on the storefront. So let's do for our 5x7s, we'll do 50% off. 4x6s, 50% off. 8x10s, 75% off. And that's what we'll do for it. Down here there's an option to send automated sale notification emails. And what happens is, if I enable this option, I can select an email template that gets sent on the first day of the sale. So in this case it would be sent today. I can select an email template to be sent on the first day of the sale to any visitor email addresses that I've collected for this specific gallery. There's also an option to send a sale ending email, and I can select to send another email on the last day of the sale using the email template that I select here. I'm going to disable it, but you can do that if you'd like. Now down at the bottom it asks which galleries or gallery types you'd like to run the sale on. I'm going to just say to run it on all of my gallery types, and I'm going to click Save. Once this page refreshes, you're going to see that the new sale is right here. It's the print size sale, and it's showing us 50% off of 4x6s, 50% off 5x7s, and 75% off of 8x10s. Now we're going to jump over to one of our galleries so you can see how it works on the gallery itself. And here's a gallery that doesn't have the sale running on it yet. But if I refresh the gallery, you'll see that the sale has started. Alright, now we can see a banner across the top that says 4x6s are 50% off, etc. and it tells us when the sale is going to end. Since this sale ends a few days from now, it's just going to show us the date. But let me change that for us. We'll go into the print size sale, and I'm going to change it so that this ends tomorrow. I'll save it, and then I'm going to refresh my gallery, and instead of showing the date, it tells us the number of hours, minutes, and seconds until that specific sale ends. This gives your clients a little bit of a heads up saying that this sale is ending very soon and that they need to hurry and complete their purchases if they'd like to take advantage of it. If I click to view our images and go to add something to our cart, you can see that it's showing 50% off our 4x6s and 5x7s and 75% off of our 8x10s, just like we set up previously. Hovering over these amounts shows us the original totals, and if we add it, you can see here also a countdown for that sale. In the cart, you can see that this discount is applied here. It's originally $5.99, on sale now for $2.99, which is 50% off. And you can see here that there's a $3 discount applied to their total. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.